All right, we added a little bit to the scope of work today, so we can call this phase 2.5 or whatever you want to call it. But from the beginning, the homeowner was worried about this tree. The right trunk is very hollow, even all the way up as far as you can see. Goes way over the house and leans towards the house. The other two trunks seem to be fine, and they're actually leaning away from the house. But this farthest one to the right, it's got a lot of damage. Not even sure how alive the tree is, and it's going right over the house. So before I suggested that we take it out, I wanted to get another opinion. So we had a couple other guys come and look at it, Matt, the owner, and Manuel, our operations manager, and they all agreed. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's actually a hollow hole right in here. And if you look at it from the right angle, you can see all the way through the tree. So there's a hole, goes all the way through the center of the tree. It's one storm away from falling on the house. So we brought the lift out today, and we are gonna go up there and take care of the tree. It's gonna be really a very high precision detailed cut. It's not gonna be easy, but we're gonna get it done today. Here's Manuel sizing up this tree. Oh yeah. All right, here's an update for everybody. We just got back from lunch. This tree is mostly cut down. We got a little bit of the trunk left, but now we got a lot of chopping up to do and putting it in the trailer and cleaning up. Here's the lift we were using. A lot of heavy duty equipment goes into tree removals like this.